Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create your own playlist on YouTube. It's a great way to organize your favorite videos, so let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and find a video you want to add to your playlist. Okay, I will go with this one and then slide down this section near to the video and tap save. And then here tap change. Again tap on new playlist. Here give your playlist a name like study vibes, and here choose your privacy setting, public, unlisted or private. I will go with public and then tap create. Now your playlist is now created and the video has been added. You can keep adding more videos the same way. And yes, that's how you make a playlist on YouTube. Hit like if this video helped and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.